Who do I call for help with a flat tire? Picture this: you are cruising down the highway, feeling the freedom of being behind the wheel, when suddenly you hear that dreaded thump. A flat tire. It can be a stressful situation, especially for teenagers who are new to driving. So, who do you call for help? Let's break it down step by step. First, if you can safely pull over to the side of the road, do it as soon as possible. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. It is important to stay inside your car if you are on a busy highway, unless you are in a safe area away from traffic. If you have roadside assistance, this is your best option. Roadside assistance is a service that helps drivers with issues like flat tires, dead batteries, or running out of gas. Many car insurance companies offer this service as an add-on, or you can purchase it separately. If you have roadside assistance, call the number provided by your plan. They will send someone to help you change your tire or tow your car if needed. Now, if you do not have roadside assistance, don't worry. You can call a parent, guardian, or another trusted adult for help. They might be able to come to your location or guide you through the process of changing the tire yourself. It is a good idea to learn how to change a tire before you start driving. Many driving classes and online videos teach this skill. In some situations, you may need to call a tow truck service directly. Look up local towing companies on your phone or ask a passing police officer for assistance. Police officers can also help keep you safe while you wait for help to arrive. If you find yourself in a dangerous situation, such as being stuck in the middle of the highway or in an unsafe area, call emergency services by dialing 911 in the United States. Make sure to tell them your location and that you have a flat tire. To recap, here are the main people you can call for help with a flat tire. Your roadside assistance service if you have it, a parent or trusted adult, a local tow truck service, or the police or emergency services if you are in danger. Having a plan before you hit the road can make dealing with a flat tire much easier. Consider adding roadside assistance to your car insurance or keeping a list of emergency contacts in your car. This way, you will always know who to call if you need help.